I took my pillows off so you guys could see it. But oh my god, it's so worth it. I wish I would have got it a long time ago. It's raising. The head and the feet raise. It has zero gravity on it. It's really nice. The head's raising. I don't know if you can see how high it goes, but let me stand back. It's really quiet. The massage, like I said, is so-so, but you could still feel it. But oh my god, I love it. Look how high that sucker goes. It's crazy. And I priced them at the bedding store, and they were $23, and this one was $1,000. But it's so worth it, and it has a zero gravity. You could do the leg or the feet. One button pushes it; it'll go flat. It's really a nice bed. I'm really happy I bought it. You guys should get one. It's really worth the money. It takes 2 people to set up. It's a little bit heavy, but other than that, you just put the legs on, and it just screws in, and you just lay it flat inside your frame. It's really good. Like I said, I'm very happy with it.
Whisper quiet. Massage. Low massage. High massage. Off. Super quiet lift. Beautiful. Look at that. And now lifting up. Did you see that? Isn't that incredible? And then we can put the back down. Oh, let's go up higher. Let's put the back down. Nope, I'm putting the feet up. Isn't that amazing? Look how high. Look at the difference. And now I can go down. I haven't learned how to go down yet. Now down at the foot. Is that not super cool? And then down at the head. It's a zero gravity. You can even tilt your head down and your feet up. You know, like if you have edema or if you have an injury, leg injury. Keep your feet above your heart, they say. So there you have it. And my cat adores it. Hello, Devon Rex. Hi, Benny. Say hi to the crowd. Benny. Okay, he wanted to say yes, he approves it.
As you can tell, my dogs love it. Does everything it's supposed to do. For the price, this thing is amazing. I received it. As you can see, my bed is still adjusting to the base, but when I'm in it, it's all good. I love this bed. Let's see. Anti-snore. Louise. Hey, girl. There we go. Fiona said that's enough of that. And here comes the head. I truly love this bed and I'm so happy I got it. And I'm sure I will get many years of use out of it. This bed is solid. Okay.
mattress was easy to install. There was 2 bolts on the bottom that made it easy to take it apart if you have, if you're going to decide to set it up on yourself. Not too heavy when you do that. The cords to actually get the power running to it are real simple to take out and put back in if necessary. Very comfortable. The settings are great. The dog likes it, as you can see. Motorized functions work well. The massage feature is nice. We had a Tempur-Pedic cloud mattress, so we used the traditional box spring setup, which made it a little bit more uncomfortable, but this has really created a nice sleep environment. Dog gets a little freaked out when you change the settings a little bit, but she likes it. Right, Zelda?
Bright light. What's a little light? And the massage, which
Alright, this is the adjustable bed base that I got. Has the chargers over there. I don't know if you can see the light, but it has a light that goes on under the bed. It goes pretty tall, so this is this portion going up. Let's see. I'll go as far up as I've been using it. And ignore the bend there. If you have a person on it, it doesn't, do that. So yeah, goes up. Feet goes up as well. See in a second. Starts rising. It goes pretty high up as well, but I'm not gonna do it all. You can memorize it. You can do flat, but just with one push. There's massaging, which maybe you guys can hear on the feet and the legs. The massage you can't really feel, to be honest, but the rest of it's pretty good. Zero gravity actually works, in my opinion, so it's nice. But yeah, that's my review. I think it's great. You guys should buy it.
together last night. Only took a couple minutes, or 20 minutes really. Nice and sturdy. Make sure you get the bar at the end.
I might try to. I don't know. See what it looks like.
Okay, so a video review on this really awesome electric adjustable bed frame that I bought on Amazon. I got it because I've had really bad acid reflux. I started sleeping on wedge pillows, which helped a lot, but they were pretty uncomfortable, and so I decided finally to get one of these, which is the best thing ever. Super quiet. super quiet. As you can hear, it raises up and lowers really quiet. It has these massage features, which I thought were kind of overkill at first, but it's kind of nice actually to use at night. Show you here. Whee! Has a little light underneath, which is nice for a little night light.
Have one charging port here. This is where you keep your remote. I can't tell now, but the lights are on. Highly recommend it. Highly recommend it.
Love the massage feature. Very easy setup. Very quiet as it adjusts. Worth the purchase. Thank you guys.